Let's build the Barbatos 6 form. Just have here some of the box art, and we have here the chest piece, have the arms, you have the legs and feet here, you have the waist, we have the boosters and side guns, the backpack, and of course the head. We have the weapon, and here it is, all together and to be assembled. Pretty okay snap fit build. No real issues that I've encountered when I was building this kit. Of course, since it does have polycaps, does mean that it will degrade over time, and especially if you like posing it a lot, it will surely degrade the polycap plastics there, and you might experience it being a bit more floppy. Actually, in this case, some of the parts even during the assembly became floppy, and just have to make do with it. Here it is, just straight built out of the box, looking all white. .360 spin over with some of the poses that we have here. Just love the weapon of the 6 form. This huge sort of like wrench like weapon. And we have here the armor base, making this more of like a 5th form. Now added the stickers as well as panel line, some of the stuff here, so that it isn't as white as it was before. So it's looking a lot better with some of the work done. Still not at that level of being able to do like custom colors or are these spray painting. Not really a fan of it. I tried it at one point, but it's just not a skill set that I have for now. So pretty much I do mostly straight belts and just some minor color corrections and panel lines that I do. Still, the 6 form really looks good. I really like. Let's talk about the 6 form with all its inclusions. Majority of the simple shake test. The kit. We have the arms here, the Barbatos in all of the IPO kits. There we go. We have the cannon and the missiles. It's part of its kit for this one. Not a lot of range in terms, very weak in terms of the Barbatos design of the feet. Here we have some of the parts that you can make it into a 5th form. Here we have the 1st form, which you can attach the 5th form armor if you want to make it a 5th form. Side by side comparison of some of the armor parts there. As you can see, the white one goes into the 6th form. Look, we do have the monkey wrench looking weapon that has that chainsaw attachment so that it can grip down and cut an enemy. Let's compare the sixth form Barbatos with some of other high grades. We have here the first form of Barbatos. You can see the shoulders is quite big as compared to the first one. We have its rival, the Gundam Bile. Next up is the original Grandpa Gundam RX-78-2, comparing it to the latest in the line, the Gundam Ariel. And of course, we want to compare it to some of the big boy, and this is the big boy itself, the RG Sazabi. Notice the difference, even if it's both in 1-144 scale.